So I want to make a pair of push-up bars, which will motivate me to train more and enable me to do more exercises at home. So I looked what materials I could find, and I found this pretty thick pole and this plank. So I mark out how long I want the pieces to be, and I cut up the pieces. Then I think about how long I want the pole to be, and so I can have some variation where I can place my hands. So mark it up and cut it off, sand off the edges a bit. Then it's time to cut holes in the plank so that I can put the poles through. The pole is a little bit too thick, so I need to sand it off at the ends. Now they have a really good fit. You could call that a day, but I want to make it a bit nicer looking and a bit so they take up a little less volume. So I chop off the corners and sand off the harsh edges. Then I use this thing to smooth out the edges even more. And I do the same with the pole, and then I do some hand sanding so I can reach all around the pole. Then I use this to polish the pole. At home I continue to smooth out the edges and polish them a bit with this cloth thing. Then I use some wood glue to lock it into place. Then I wouldn't really have to, but I want to secure it even more with a screw. And it's important to drill before you screw, because otherwise you will crack it. Time to test them out. I'm not in that good shape, but you can see that they work. And they are really sturdy, will not break. The handles are pretty thick, but I like it. Some may want to have some thinner poles. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.